Wait 18 years for your clone to reach adulthood? If you make a mistake, hit the undo button. Sold separately. No!
Papa?
What? Ah!
Papa!
I want my money back! Miserable suffering, loneliness, and like zero appreciation. Do you even know what I'm saying?
Is that fun?
So much fun.
Yay! I want to be miserable too.
Good.
I need to go potty.
Why?
I made you a book.
What? Will you? There it is. The living spray factory. Oh, wait, what? What? Oh, no, not little Petey! My bad.
Dog man?
I'll never stop till you're dead, Robocat!
What you doing?
I was mad
Why?
because no one likes me.
I made you a book. Do you want to read it? Maybe you just need a friend. Then we ate 5 soups.
Hey, dog man. I was thinking.